Hello, I'm Dr. Gayatri Kamath, the consultant obstetrician and gynecologist at Fortis Hospitals, Bannerghatta Road. So, we need to know that normal labor is actually the nature's route. This mode of delivery is not designed by us. During the antenatal checkups, many pregnant women voice their opinion and say they want to have a normal delivery. We are really happy to hear that. But when labor is approaching, their mindset changes. Many of them opt for a cesarean section, and this trend is very concerning. Most often, the fear of pain during labor makes them demand a C-section. We offer them pain relief measures such as epidural, which is used in Fortis to overcome pain. Some of them do come around. But there are some women who still feel normal delivery is an uncertain path and they would not trod on that and they would demand a C-section. It's important that women in labor bow down to Mother Nature's ways and let go. It's important not to medicalize labor too much, and having normal delivery has its benefits in the long run. So it's important that we put such women through support groups of women who've had a normal delivery, and they would be kind of brand ambassadors to spread the message about the benefits of normal labor.
Hello, I'm Dr. Divya Kateva, Associate Consultant, Team Member of Dr. Gayatri Kamath at Fortis Hospitals, Bannerghatta Road. Our team at Nest, under the guidance of Dr. Gayatri Kamath, believe that we can achieve great results with teamwork. Throughout 9 months, our every effort is concentrated towards building up a positive relationship with our patients. On a daily basis, we deal with a variety of emotions, from excitement to sadness, from exhilaration to hopelessness. We believe every patient has a right to question, and we are duty-bound to help them in whatever way we can. With Dr. Gayatri Kamath as our team leader, we can make almost every story a success story.
Hi everyone, this is Tangamma here. I am from Cool basically, born and brought up in Bangalore. I am working with a corporate company, and Fortis has been a very nice place for me for my delivery, where it's been very smooth since my 3rd month where I've been consulting here. I have 2 children now, and both my kids are born in Fortis. Dr. Gayatri Kamath has been a great motivator for me this time, where with her help is where I could deliver normally this time. The first time is also I wanted to go through a normal delivery, and however, because of some complications, I ended up having a C-section. So I know the difference between a C-section and a normal delivery already. I would suggest please go through a normal delivery. It is not difficult. The pain that you go through at that minute may be severe, but at a later stage you will really know the difference of having a normal delivery versus a C-section. So please go through a normal delivery is my request. Do not insist on C-sections. And thank you, Gayatri ma'am, for all your motivation. You've been great. You've been a great help for me. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Elaine George. So I decided to go ahead with Dr. Gayatri to pursue a normal delivery. This is my first child, and it's been a tremendous experience working here with Dr. Gayatri. She's very approachable, very accommodating, and also very friendly. And my idea was to have a normal delivery from the start itself. I didn't want to go in for a C-section unless it was really necessary. So I did attend some Namas classes. I learned the deep breathing techniques, and also got a lot of inspiration from my mom. So she taught me, there are ways to handle pain. You don't have to really scream and shout. And labor pain initially is bearable, but towards the end, if I have to tell you the truth, it gets very intense. But the idea is to remain calm during that whole process. You don't have to let the pain overtake your ability. So remain calm, do your deep breathing, and then finally you see the child at the end of the whole thing, and it's worth the pain.